Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. Today's video is how to translate to switch on and to switch off in French, because it's not as straightforward as English. There's several verbs you can use depending on the context and depending on what you're talking about. Let's have a look. Before we carry on, I just want to say you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's perfect for beginners. Or if you want to study a bit of French to be more conversationally fluent, if you want to string sentences together from day one with everyday expressions and vocab, this course is for you. So click the link and see what it's about. Let's start with to switch on, to mean allumer. This is the primary meaning of to switch on. And it goes for a light switch, or when you're switching on the electricity, or any small appliances like computers, TVs, kettles, etc. For instance, allume la lumière, on ne voit rien. Allume la lumière, on ne voit rien. Switch the light on, we can't see anything. La cafetière est allumée, mais elle n'a pas l'air de marcher. La cafetière est allumée, mais elle n'a pas l'air de marcher. The coffee maker is on, as in switched on, but it doesn't seem to work. And I've used n'a pas l'air de here on purpose to show you how to use this expression. Doesn't look like it's working. Of course, if you look at working in French, we say walking. Remember that appliances walk, they don't work. Je vais allumer mon ordinateur pour vérifier mes mails. Je vais allumer mon ordinateur pour vérifier mes mails. I'm going to switch on my computer to check my emails. In French, you can shorten ordinateur to ordi. It's a lot easier to say. Now the second way to translate to switch on is mettre en marche, mettre en route, or démarrer. So mettre en marche and mettre en route, I've given you both, are exactly the same. Démarrer is a bit different, it's more to start. So you would use the first two for a big appliance or a machine, and you would use démarrer for a machine or a car. So basically the bigger it is, the more it'll lean towards démarrer rather than mettre en route. For instance, j'ai mis la machine à laver en marche avant de partir. J'ai mis la machine à laver en marche avant de partir. I switched on the washing machine before I left. See, that's a household appliance, quite a big one, so mettre en marche or mettre en route is fine. Tu peux mettre la tondeuse en marche? Je n'y arrive pas. Tu peux mettre la tondeuse en marche? Je n'y arrive pas. Can you switch on the mower? I can't do it. You see, here you could have said, can you start the mower? It's fine. It's quite a big appliance, so you can use to start as well. And finally, for the car, la voiture a du mal à démarrer quand il fait froid. La voiture a du mal à démarrer quand il fait froid. The car struggles to start when the weather's cold. You see, the expression a du mal à is to struggle to or to find it difficult to. Very, very useful. Finally, you can use ouvrir for to switch on, but we would use that for a gas or water tap. For instance, vous pouvez ouvrir le robinet du gaz maintenant. La fuite est réparée. Vous pouvez ouvrir le robinet du gaz maintenant. La fuite est réparée. You can open the gas tap now. The leak has been fixed. See, robinet means tap. Le robinet est ouvert, mais on n'a toujours pas d'eau. Le robinet est ouvert, mais on n'a toujours pas d'eau. The tap is on, but we still haven't got any water. Now let's move to switch off. And as we saw before, the primary way you would translate to switch off is éteindre. And that goes for, again, a light switch, the electricity, or a small appliance. For instance, you would ask, qui a éteint la lumière? Qui a éteint la lumière? Who switched the light off? J'ai éteint la télé à minuit hier soir. J'ai éteint la télé à minuit hier soir. I switched the TV off at midnight last night. Or I switched off the TV at midnight last night. Arnaud vient d'éteindre son ordinateur. Arnaud vient d'éteindre son ordinateur. Arnaud has just switched his computer off. You see how vient de means to have just done something. It's very important. Now the second way you can translate to switch off is arrêter. And that goes for a big appliance, a machine or a car. Je ne comprends pas pourquoi le lave-vaisselle s'est arrêté. Je ne comprends pas pourquoi le lave-vaisselle s'est arrêté. I can't understand why the dishwasher stopped. And you see how in English you need to say I can't understand, where in French you don't need can't, because you're not prevented from understanding it. So all you're saying is I don't understand. Tu peux arrêter l'aspirateur? Je suis au téléphone. Tu peux arrêter l'aspirateur? Je suis au téléphone. Can you switch the vacuum cleaner off? I'm on the phone. Le moteur s'est arrêté tout d'un coup. Le moteur de la voiture s'est arrêté tout d'un coup. The car engine stopped suddenly. And then, of course, you can use to switch off to mean fermer, to shut off, and that goes for the gas or water tap again. For instance, je crois que j'ai oublié de fermer le gaz ce matin. Je crois que j'ai oublié de fermer le gaz ce matin. I think I forgot to switch the gas tap off this morning. Il faut fermer le robinet de la douche quand tu te savonnes. Il faut fermer le robinet de la douche quand tu te savonnes. You need to switch the shower tap off when you soap yourself. Finally, to switch off also has a figurative meaning. And for that we use décrocher. Let me show you. Quand les gens me parlent de leurs vacances en détail, en général, je décroche après 5 minutes. Quand les gens me parlent de leurs vacances en détail, en général, je décroche après 5 minutes. When people tell me about their holidays in great detail, I usually switch off after 5 minutes. That's to mentally switch off. And for that we use décrocher. Décrocher literally means to unhook. And that's it for now. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. À bientôt!